Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your plan allows tethering and that you won't incur extra charges. Next, make sure your phone is charged or plugged in so the hotspot stays stable. This prevents sudden disconnects. Then open Settings, go to Network or Connections, and select Mobile Hotspot or Personal Hotspot. Toggle it on. Once done, name the hotspot and set a strong password. This prevents strangers from joining. You're now broadcasting a network you control and can connect another device. You should configure security settings before connecting devices. Pick WPA2 or WPA3 encryption and create a password of at least 8 characters so your connection stays private. Next, choose the frequency band. Use 4 GHz for better range or 5 GHz for faster throughput when close by. Then manage access. Limit the number of allowed devices and enable MAC filtering or manual approval if your phone supports it. You now connect a laptop or tablet. Open Wi-Fi, pick your hotspot SSID, and enter the password. Then load a web page to verify access. If speeds are poor, move the devices closer, switch to 5 GHz for speed or 4 GHz for range, and restart the hotspot to clear hung connections. If there's no internet, toggle airplane mode or reset network settings on your phone, and if that fails, contact your carrier to check for data outages or account restrictions. That one step often resolves carrier-side issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.